Hello students! Welcome to the course of the Modern Tea Cuisine. The dish we made in this class is a shredded fish boiled jasmine tea. Teaching objectives: master the process and cooking skills of the shredded fish boiled jasmine tea. Teaching difficulties: need to master the production of clear soup, processing technology, and molding method of the fish maw. Teaching content: the teaching process of the shredded fish boiled jasmine tea is fully demonstrated through the display of raw materials, the explanation of the cooking process, the live demonstration, and the characteristics of the finished dish. The cooking method we use today is blanching. Blanching is to put food into boiling water or boiling soup for a little while. It is a process of putting things into the water or anything that burrows into the water, such as blanched meatballs. In some regions, this cooking method is directly called boiled. Raw materials. Main materials: grass carp meat 400 grams. Auxiliary materials: lean meat 200 grams. Chicken bone 200 grams. Dried scallop 20 grams. Spare ribs 100 grams. Jasmine tea 20 grams. Shanghai cabbage 200 grams. Green onion 10 grams. Ginger 30 grams. 2 eggs. Seasoning: salt 10 grams. Cornstarch 30 grams. Technological process: lean meat, chicken bone, dried scallop, spare ribs. Put these materials into the pot and fill it with water. Steam them over a fire for about 2 hours, according to the proportion of half the pot of the ingredients with 1 pot of water. A pot of delicious soup is ready for standby. Scrape the fish meat into minced and kitchen knife. Add egg white, onion, ginger, water, salt, and raw powder. After mincing the fish, put it into the flour mounting bag for standby. Pay attention to the beating of the fish antler in one direction. Put in some water for several times, otherwise the fish antler will not be well mixed with the water, which will affect the tenderness and smoothness. Boil water in the pot, keep it at 80 Celsius, and slowly squeeze the minced fish into the water pot in a silky shape. Cooked with warm water. The water should not boil, otherwise the fish will blister and not smooth. Remove the shredded fish and put it into a bowl. Boil the clear soup in pot and mix it with jasmine tea to make the tea soup. Pour the hot tea broth into the shredded fish bowl and decorate it with vegetable heart. Characteristics of the finished dishes: this soup dish has an effect of tonifying deficiency and strengthening the body. It is suitable for people with deficiency in internal organs and virtual fire, especially for those with anemia and fatigue. Healthy people can prevent diseases and strengthen their health. Through the study of this lesson, we have mastered the production method of the shredded fish boiled jasmine tea. But pay attention to the following points. Clear soup is best made by steaming in water, which can keep the soup clear. When beating the fish antler, stir it in one direction and put the water in several times, otherwise the fish antler will not be well mixed with the water, which will affect the tenderness and smoothness. That's all for this lesson. Goodbye!